Hello everyone. In the topic relations and functions, we'll see few of the problems related to 1 and onto functions. The question which is given here, which is related to the exercise 2.1.2. If function f is mapping from natural numbers to natural numbers defined by f of n is equals to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, odd number time, odd plus 1 by 2 will come as it will be divided by 2, and n by 2 if n is even. If n is even, it is divided by 2 directly, and both the cases you are getting the number which is divisible by 2 only. State whether the given function is bijective or justify your answer. And to make it as bijective, we can make it is 1 1 onto 1 1 and onto. We'll see. Coming to the next, we'll talk about 1 1 function. 1 1, as we are getting the values here, the both the numbers are, even though n is odd or n is even, both the time number is divisible by 2. So if n is equals to 1, n is odd number, then function can be taken as f of 1 is equals to 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 2 by 2 is equals to 1. Then second case, if n is 2, it is even, then f of 2 is equals to odd time, even time, it is n by 2. N is nothing but 2. 2 by 2 is equals to 1. F of 1 is equals to 1. F of 2 is equals to 1. Both the cases you are getting 1. And f of 1 is equals to f of 2. And both are getting it as 1. This implies 1 is not equals to 2. F of x is equals to f of y. This should implies x is equals to y. But this x is not equals to y. So this implies f is not 1 to 1 function here. And coming to the next, whether it is onto or not. Checking for the onto function, it is mentioned here both one is odd and one is even. Then for all y belongs to natural numbers, this n is representing for the second n. Second n is nothing but codomain. For all y belongs to n, there should exist the value of x. So then we will make this y is equals to f of n. F of n is nothing but n plus 1 by 2. So you make it as x only. So x by 2. Then what will happen? Y is equals to f of x is equals to x by 2 if x is odd, and is equals to x by 2 if x is even. Just you try to understand both. Now we require to get the value of x. Then send this in two different cases. No, so two different cases can be taken in this manner. Two different cases can be taken in this manner. Then 2y is equals to x plus 1. This implies 2y minus 1 is equals to x. So this implies x is equals to 2y minus 1 belongs to natural numbers. It is coming as, it can be taken as domain. If you are taking y, if x is going to be odd, then that x is nothing but 2y minus 1. So you are getting this x value which is lying in natural numbers. And coming to the next, it is a case 1. And what is case 2? Same, y is equals to x by 2, then y is equals to x by 2. This implies x is equals to 2y. This also belongs to natural numbers, and this can be considered as domain. And x is equals to 2y. X is equals to 2y you are getting. So this is also going to be there exist. By the definition of the given function, for all y belongs to natural numbers, then there exists x value. So there existing x value, x is equals to 2y minus 1 or x is equals to 2y, depending upon these two different cases. Then so if we consider in this manner, x is equals to 2y minus 1, it is odd. All time f of x is equals to 2y minus 1 by so and so. If you consider, then you will get f of x is equals to y. Then there exists x is equals to 2y minus 1. So I'm taking here x is equals to 2y minus 1 is odd. Sorry, it is odd. Then odd time function n plus 1 by 2 is nothing but x plus 1 by 2 here. Then f of x is equals to n is nothing but x here, so x is nothing but 2y minus 1. So 2y minus 1 plus 1 by 2, minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, and it is 2y by 2 is equals to y. If x is nothing but odd, then f of x is equals to y. If x is equals to 2y, it is even case, then f of x is equals to x by 2. X by 2, x is nothing but 2y by 2 is equals to y. So you are getting x is nothing but 2y minus 1, x is nothing but 2y. So both the cases can be considered. For all y belongs to n, then there exists x value 2y minus 1, x is equals to 2y, such that f of x is equals to y. And this implies f can be taken as onto function, but f is not 1 f is onto. So f is not bijective. Only one case is getting satisfied, second case is not getting satisfied. Coming to the next question, let a is equals to r minus 3, b is a set r minus 1. Consider the function f is mapping from a to b defined by f of x is equals to x minus 2 by x minus 3 is the function is f is 1 1 and onto. Justify your answer. Consider f is given as f of x is equals to x minus 2 by x minus 3 and checking whether it is 1 1 case, f of x is equals to f of y. So this implies x minus 2 by x minus 3 is equals to y minus 2 by y minus 3. Now you cancel the terms here. It can be considered multiplying both the sets, xy minus 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equals to xy minus 2x minus 3y plus 6. So xy getting cancelled, plus 6 getting cancelled, and minus 3x minus 3x plus 2x. So it is nothing but minus x. Send this minus 2y to right hand side, it's nothing but minus y. This implies x is equals to y. We have taken f of x is equals to f of y. We are getting x is equals to y. So this implies f is 1 1. Now coming to the next, whether it is onto or not. Onto time, for all y belongs to codomain. Codomain is nothing but r minus 1. For all y belongs to r minus 1. Now you equate it to f of x. y is equals to f of x is equals to x minus 2 by x minus 3. This implies xy minus 3y is equals to x minus 2. We require to write the value of x, so that's why send x terms to one side and other terms to other side. Taking x common, x into y minus 1 is equals to 3y minus 2, then x is equals to 3y minus 2 by y minus 1. Now we have taken y is equals to f of x, then we are getting x is equals to 3y minus 2 by y minus 1. So there exists x is equals to 3y minus 2 by y minus 1 belongs to domain. Codomain is already taken. Now you consider domain here belongs to r minus 3. R minus 3, this x is indicating for this x is taking from r minus 3, and 3 terms should not be taken. If you take 3, then this will become infinity case. That's why it should come from r minus 3. And why this y belongs to r minus 1? Because 3y minus 2 by y minus 1, if y is equals to 1 is taken, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0, something by 0 is infinity. So that's why in this particular case y should come from r minus 1. Now for all y belongs to r minus 1, there exists x is equals to 3y minus 2 by y minus 1 belongs to r minus 3, such that f of x is equals to f of x is nothing but y x is nothing but 3y minus 2. So in this case you can put f of x, so f of 3y minus 2 by y minus 1, this implies 3y minus 2 by y minus 1 minus 2 by 3y minus 2 by y minus 1 minus 3. Now taking the cancellation, 3y minus 2 minus 2y minus into minus plus 2 whole thing divided by y minus 1 divided by 3y minus 2 minus 3y plus 3 whole thing divided by y minus 1, both getting cancelled. Now minus 2 plus 2 will cancel, 3y minus 2y is nothing but y, and 3y getting cancelled, plus 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. No need of taking anything here. So f of x is equals to y you are getting. This implies f is onto. And f is 1 1 and onto, and it can be taken as f is bijective. F is bijective. Coming to the next question, let f is mapping from r to r be defined as f of x is equals to x power 4. Choose the correct answer. So either f is 1 1, f is not 1 1, f is 1 1 but not onto, f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Now we'll see the cases. First of all, 1 1 you consider. F of x is equals to f of y if you consider. X power 4 is equals to y power 4. So in this case it can be taken as x power 4 minus y power 4 is equals to 0. It can be taken as x square minus y square into x square plus y square, applying a square plus b square, a square minus b square formula. Like this cannot be split, and x square minus y square, again it can be written as x minus y into x plus y. X square plus y square is equals to 0. This implies taking these two as 0. So x plus y is equals to 0, x minus y is equals to 0. It's nothing but x is equals to y, or x plus y is equals to 0. It's nothing but x is equals to minus y. Stop here. X plus either x square plus y square is equals to 0. Then you are getting both different, you are getting for same x, you are getting both the values y and minus y. So this implies f is not 1 1. It is clear. Now coming to the onto case, coming to the onto case. So any particularly one or two things if you consider, like 3 4, for all y belongs to R. By the definition of the onto, for all y belongs to R, there exists some x belongs to R such that f of x is equals to y. Then if y is equals to 81 belongs to R, then there exists x is equals to 3 belongs to R such that f of x is nothing but x power 4. So 3 power 4 is equals to 81. It is okay. And what is the main thing we are observing here? 81 is nothing but 3 power 4. What are the terms which are taking from the codomain? Those terms should have the power 4. Those terms should be written as a power of 4. Then only you will get the value of x such that f of x is equals to y. If particularly y is considered as like kind of 3 belongs to R, this 3 cannot be written as a power of 4. So that's why there does not exist some x belongs to R such that f of x is equals to y. You cannot write because this 3 cannot be written as power of any particular number. So it cannot be written as power of 4 of any particular number. So that's why it cannot be taken as onto. F is not onto, and f is not 1 1, and as well as f is not onto, and you can consider D as the option.